Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Cordova Mastering Grammar chapter number 6 adjectives and degrees of comparisons. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, sentences, nouns gender, nouns number, nouns case, and also part 1 of the chapter number 6. So here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here in this video we will discuss about the remaining part of the chapter number 6. Okay, so here degrees of comparison. So here identify the adjectives and name the degrees of comparison of each. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here the young man was more successful than his friend. So here young, this is positive degree. So as you know, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So here young, this is positive, and more successful, this is a comparative degree. The next here Jay is taller than Ravi. So here taller, this is comparative. The next year the longest, lane is still closed for the public. So here longest, long, longer, longest, this is superlative. The next year the happy child played with others. Happy, happier, happiest. So happy, this is positive degree. The next here Solomon was one of the wisest men. So here wisest, this is superlative. Wise, wiser, wisest. The next here Jit's dog has become lazy. Lazy, this is positive degree. The next here Mr. Sharma is wealthier than Mr. Verma. So here wealthier, this is comparative. The next here let me listen to the most important news of the day. Most, okay, the most, this is superlative. The next year during summer, Delhi is hotter than Kolkata. So here hot, hotter, hottest. This is hotter, you know, comparative. The next May and June are the hottest months in North India. Hottest, this is superlative degree. Clear? The next here give the comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. So here 28 adjectives are provided. So you have to write the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. So here the answer. So here first one sad. Okay, sad, sadder, saddest. Okay. The next here second one hot, hot, hotter, hottest. The next here third one cold, cold, colder, coldest. The first positive, then second comparative, then third one superlative. The next here little, little, less, least. The next year late, late, later, last. The next year lucky, luckier, luckiest. The next long, long, longer, longest. The next many, more, most. Then much, more, most. The next year bold, bolder, boldest. The next high, higher, highest. The next year fine, finer, finest. The next broad, broader, broadest. Then next grey, grayer, greyest. Then active, more active, most active. Then next year old, older, oldest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Holy, holier, holiest. Charming, more charming, most charming. The next cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. The next costly, costlier, costliest. Then expensive, more expensive, most expensive. The next here strange, okay, strange, stranger, strangest. The next famous, more famous, most famous. The next here hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. Then here far, farther, farthest. Then next last one good, better, best. Clear? Then next here then next read the 2 sentences given here carefully. Okay, So here Anita is taller than her sister. Anita is the taller of the two sisters. Then similarly Sohana is more active than his brother. Sohana is more active of the two brothers. Okay. So now frame meaningful sentences using the words given below. The first one has been done for you as an example. Okay. So here you have to form meaningful sentences here. Okay. So here the first one is already provided. Keshav intelligent his brother. So the next are Athira. Okay. So here the answer. Okay, so here the answer. Athira is lazier than her sister. Then next year, Mr. Saxena. Mr. Saxena then generous than his neighbor. Mr. Saxena is more generous than his neighbor. Okay, so here Sarath is more kind than his cousin. So here more kind, this can be accepted, or you can also write Sarath is kinder than. So both can be accepted here. Okay, more kind, or you can also write Sarath is more kind than his cousin, or Sarath is kinder than his cousin. Okay, then next here read the sentence given here as an example and frame similar sentences with the given words. The first one has been done for you. So here Brahmaputra long Kosi. The Brahmaputra is longer than the Kosi. Similarly, gold costly silver. Gold is costlier than silver. Similarly, cashew nuts costly peanuts. So now you have to, okay, cashew nuts are costlier than. So here comparative will be used. Then next here Rasi pretty Ragini. Rasi is prettier than Ragini. Comparative degree. Then next Raghav. Raghav talented horse. Raghav is more talented than horse. Clear? Then next here read the sentence given here as an example and frame similar sentences with other words given below. The first one has been done for you. So here Shashank all class. Shashank is the tallest boy in the class. That means now you have to form superlative degree. Mukesh Ambani rich man in India. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. In the previous question you form comparative degree, right? So in this question you have to form superlative degree. So here Mount Everest high peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Okay? So here the answer. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Superlative degree. Then next here Raman thin boy in the class. Raman is the thinnest boy. Superlative degree. Then next Abida talented girl in the senior school. Abida is the most talented girl in the senior school. Clear? Then next here read the following sentences and tick the correct one. The first one has been done for you. So here Burj Khalifa is the most tallest building in the world. So here there is wrong use of degree. The most, this is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark here. Then next Shalini is more kinder than Sana. This is wrong. Okay, because here already comparative degree is used kinder. There is no need to use more. So here just you have to put a cross here. Okay. Then next Suresh is the most efficient person in the organization. Here there is correct use of degree. The most efficient. So here you have to put a tick mark. Then next Rita is more shorter than Rasmi. There is wrong use of degree. Okay. So there is no need to use more. This is wrong. Okay. Rita is shorter than Rasmi. So you have to put a cross here. Then next here he is braver than his brother. So here you have to put a tick mark. As here the comparative degree is used because there is comparison is made between two, right? So here braver, this is comparative. Brave, braver, bravest. And when we compare between two, we use comparative degree. So here the use of degrees of comparison is correct. So you have to put a tick mark. Okay, he is braver than his brother. Then next here read the following passage and underline the adjectives. Mother Teresa was a kind. So here kind, this is adjective. Who served the sick? So here sick adjective. And poor, poor also adjective. People. Then next all the generous. So here all. Okay. Generous also adjective. All the generous and humble. So here humble also adjective. People who wanted to help contributed willingly. She could not bear to see a hungry child, hungry, or an ailing person, तो here ailing, and was keen to serve them, keen, तो here this is adjective. Then next, there is a big home, big, called the Missionaries of Charity in Calcutta, where many people, people are taken care of. The unprivileged and the needy are looked after well. So here you have to underline unprivileged and also needy. There are two adjectives in this sentence. The next, needy are looked after well. The next, the people who work there get great satisfaction by doing so. So here great. Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.